drawing number 1.7. Now, there's also once again, a whole bunch of different ways we can start over here, but I am going to start on the top view. So I'm going to start with the origin in the bottom corner here, and I'm going to draw the square with the 4 holes, and then later we're going to extrude these 2 ears onto the top surface. And then probably the last step we'll take is to actually cut this little gap over here. Just cut it out and through all, and that's it. So let's get going. Start a new drawing, and I said I'm going to start on the top view with a rectangle, and that rectangle is going to be 75 by 120. So 75, 120. Okay, and in fact, what we can do now is we can already draw these 4 circles. You could also do the 4 circles at a later stage, but that's up to you. So in other words, you could extrude them later if you wanted to, but I'm going to draw them now. The diameter of these circles is 12, all of them. Okay, you could use a mirror function over here to mirror them into the right place, but I'm just going to do it this way. Okay, and from each of the edges, it's 15. So from the edge to here, 15, and from here to here, 15. Yeah, that circle's fully defined now. Same, yeah. And the last circle, 15, and from there to the center is also 15. Now, extrude this, and the height is 12 millimeters. Okay, and then we have the base. Now we're going to draw those 2 ears on top of this base. So click on the top of the base because that's where we want to draw. Click on Sketch and Normal 2. I'm going to draw the 2 squares. Okay, and their dimensions are 40 by 12. So 40 by 12. We could have actually made these lines collinear. Nevertheless, okay, from there to the edge is 10.5, and the same on this side. From that edge to over here, 10.5, and from this edge to here is 40, and let's make that collinear. Good. Extrude it, and the height is going to be 40. Okay, now we're going to use the fillet tool again. We're going to do a full round fillet again. So click on there, click on the top surface, and click on the front surface. Remember, this has to be in order. Again, fillet, surface 1, face 1 at least, face 2, and face 3. Okay, now select the surface, sketch, normal 2, and we're going to draw the circle on the center of that with a dimension of 20. Features, extrude cut through all, and off we go. Good. Last step, I'm going to cut that recess away from here. So I'm going to click on the surface and normal 2. Draw a square down here. Remember, you can't just draw 3 lines. It has to be a rectangle or a square, whatever. It has to be a shape. The height of this is 3 millimeters. Width is 40. And the distance from the edge to here is also 40. Do that from the drawing. Okay, features, extrude cut. Again, through all cut. And there we have it. There is drawing number 1.7.